Hello guys, how are you all? In today's video, I am going to tell you how you can do trending uncle emoji video editing in Capcut, which is becoming very viral on both Instagram and YouTube Shorts. So you must watch the video till the end and let's start the video. Your video will be added here, and if I play it and show you, you can see that it is a completely normal video. There is no editing etc. anywhere in it. Okay. So now let us do the editing here. So first of all, you have to click on this mute clip audio option, which is visible here, so that all the audio etc. present in your video gets removed. Okay, now after that you just have to play your video. And after playing it, see which part you want to keep or where you want to add the emoji. Like I want to add it at this place, so we can do it here. Here also. You can add it. In the same way, you just have to analyze your video clip a little, and wherever you want to add something, keep only that part and remove your extra video clips. Like if we want to add it in this, if you want to add extra parts here in this scene, then we will have to remove them. So to remove them, click on your video clip, then here you will see a split option. Click on it, it will be split. Then you click on delete here, then it will be deleted. Okay. Similarly, you can also see here in before, that is, in the previous scene, from where do you want to keep it. Like I want to keep it from here, so we will stay here, then we will split it and delete the remaining part. Okay, so in this way, whatever is the waste part or the ones which you are not going to use, you just remove them. Now after that you have to play your video and go to the exact place where you want to add the skull emoji. Like when they're doing something like this here, I want to add it here. Okay. Then we will come to this place. After coming here, you have to click on your video, and here you have to scroll and come to the very last side. Here you will see a freeze option, so click on it. Freeze at the top. If you click, you will notice that an image will be added here, in the same place where you want to add the skull emoji. Okay. So you have done this. Now after that you will have to add the skull emoji here. To add it, you will see an overlay option here. Click on it. After clicking, click on add overlay. Click on it and it will be added. After it is added, you can just increase its size here and place it wherever you want, like I am placing it here below. Okay, so the skull emoji has been added here. Now you just have to add animation to this skull emoji. So to add animation, you will get the animation option here. Click on it and add any good just squeeze effect. There are many here, and the one I like the best among these is the unfold effect, so you can also use it. It looks quite good. Okay, so select it and then click done. And when you click done, you will notice here that it will be added here in this way, which if you place it a little earlier, like if you place it a little earlier from the frame from where you added it, then it will look good because the animation is coming and it is taking some time to come. Okay, so now see, if we place it a little earlier, it looks perfect. Okay, so this thing you have to do it here. Okay, now similarly, now you will have to add animation to your image here too. So for that you have to click on your image. And by clicking on the animation here, again you can choose the same unfold. Then after that click on done, so the animation work will be done here. But this skull of ours is coming a little earlier, so we adjust it here and I would like to reduce the duration of its animation a little, so I reduced it, then click on done, then see, the animation work is done here. Now after that you have to add just the bake effect and flash effect here, so that it will look even better. So for that you have to come to the very beginning here, then click on the effect option which is visible here. Okay. Click here, then the video effect option will be visible. Click on it and first of all, there is a nightclub section here. Come to this one. Okay. When you come here, you will see many effects here. You can add these bake effects. The effect is, first of all select it. Select it and do it, and after that you have to keep it as far as your image will be. It has automatically gone to that distance, so we do not need to increase or decrease it. Let's keep it like this. Okay, now after that you just have to click on the object option that you see here and do it, so that nowadays this effect can be added on the face or on the funny emoji as well. Okay, do this, then go above adjust and reduce the speed here, as well as the intensity. It felt good. You can do it as much as you like on your video, then do it. Okay, then after that you have to come here again, and after that again click on the video effect and stay in the nightclub, but this time you just have to use the black flash here, like you can use this one. Okay, then select it and do it, and again you can fix its duration if it is more or less. You just have to do one thing by clicking on it. The Object you have to select all by clicking on the top and then click on done. Then you can see here that it has been added in this manner, and if you feel that in this we should keep the black flash only in the background, then you can keep only this in the object. Okay. Then you can see here that our animation looks like this, or you can say that the emoji has been added, which looks perfect. Okay, then you can add it in this manner. Now if you want, then click on your main image, scroll a little, and here you come on adjust. Okay, after coming on adjust, if you make it a little dark, like here, you reduce its brightness a little, and here you reduce the saturation a little, and after that if you increase this vignette here, and after that click on done, then it looks even better.
Now just look carefully how I put effects on video.
The work is finished here. Look, it's fine. Now we will remove a part of it. You know how to remove it. Just click on it, split it, and then split again to remove as much as needed. Click on that part and delete it. Okay, so you can do this. It's quite easy. It's easy. So try to match this beat and skull face together, because if they don't match, no matter how well you edit, it won't look or sound good. This is quite important. So now it's perfectly done here. So now you can play it here and it will look quite good. You can listen to it here. I can play it once with music, but due to copyright issues, I'm not playing it. Okay, you can see it's perfectly done here. This is how it's done. I hope you understood. I showed you twice here, so I'm quite sure you got how it's done. Okay, so to save it, just click here and you can do all this on a Mac. After that, you can export from here or do one last thing. Go to Fade, just go to Lens and add HDR so that the quality of your video improves a bit. Like here, you'll find Smart Sharpen, select it and click on it. Click on it, just go to Filter and reduce both filter and blur completely. Bring it all the way down and apply it till the end. You'll see that it improves the quality of your video a bit. Like, see, it looks quite good, but the sharpen is applied a bit too much, so we'll reduce the sharpen a little here. Like this, I've arranged it. Arrange it on your video as it seems right to you, and your video will be perfect in high quality here. This is how everything is done, I hope. You understood everything. To save it, click on export and your video will be saved in your device. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Until then, stay happy and keep spreading joy.